are going to show you the process of the heart. I am Monica Siladao, Bachelor of Physical Education, major in School PE1.
I am Precious Kit VUIS, a Bachelor of Physical Education, major in School PE1.
Before we start our discussion, let us know first our objectives.
And our first objective is to define what is heart process.
And our second objective is to know the process of the heart during exercise.
And for our third objective is to know the process of heart after exercise.
And for our last objective is to know the importance of process of the heart in exercise. So this is our 4 objectives.
So our first objective is to define what is heart process. So the heart is a pump usually beating about 60 to 100 times per minute. So the heart sends blood throughout our bodies carrying oxygen. The blood returns to the heart.
For our second objective, to know the process of the heart during exercise, we have 2 major parts, the brain and the heart. We have 3 components, the carbon dioxide, the blood pressure, and the muscle movements. So these 3 components has their own receptors. For carbon dioxide, it is called the chemoreceptor. For the blood pressure, it is called baroreceptor. For muscle movements, it is called proprioceptors. So these are the receptors, and these 3 receptors will be the one to detect if there are changes in our carbon dioxide, blood pressure, and muscle movements. During exercise, our carbon dioxide, blood pressure, muscle movements are increasing, and these 3 receptors will detect it and send the information to our brain at the medulla oblongata, and our brain will send the message to our heart at our SA node, specifically at our right atrium. So during exercise, this process is called sympathetic nervous system. And this is happen if our carbon dioxide, blood pressure, muscle movements are increasing. For our third objective, to know the process of the heart after exercise, we have 2 major parts, the brain and the heart. And we have 3 components, the carbon dioxide, blood pressure, and muscle movements. These 3 components has their own receptors, the chemoreceptor, the baroreceptor, and the proprioceptor. So after exercise, our carbon dioxide, blood pressure, and muscle movements are decreasing. And these 3 receptors will detect it and send a message to our brain, and our brain will send the message to our heart at SA node, specifically at our right atrium. This process is called the parasympathetic nervous system. Actually, after and during exercise is the same process, but the difference is if our carbon dioxide, blood pressure, muscle movements are increasing, it is called the sympathetic nervous system. But if our carbon dioxide, blood pressure, and muscle movements are decreasing, it is called the parasympathetic nervous system.
So for our last objective, to know the importance of process of the heart in exercise. Exercise causes the heart to pump blood into the circulation more efficiently as a result of more forceful and efficient myocardial contractions, increased perfusion of tissues and organs with blood, and increased oxygen delivery.
And that would be all. Thank you for watching our video. We hope that you enjoyed our discussion.
And leave a comment.
And please click the like icon and subscribe for more updates.
That's all. Thank you. Take
Bye!
care. Bye!